The Idea Factory at Utah State University is a facility with tools and machines selected to aid students in the design and fabrication of their projects. Using the Idea Factory is free for all students, faculty, and staff, but does require a basic profile and safety training to access. Here, we will go over how to create your profile, qualify for the Blue Permit Safety Certificate, sign in to use the Idea Factory, and access additional training for the equipment and tools available. In your web browser, search for USU Idea Factory or navigate to engineering.usu.edu/students/idea-factory. Now click Create a Profile to begin and enter your information into the fields provided. You will be presented with the College of Engineering waiver. Once you have carefully read and understand the information therein, check the box and submit to agree to the terms and create your profile. The Blue Permit Security Certificate is the minimum credential required to access the Idea Factory. To begin the process, select Training in the sidebar, then click the Blue Permit link. Read through the application process, and then expand the Safety Policy section to access the training PDF. When you have adequately reviewed the training material, click on the Blue Permit Quiz button at the bottom of the page to begin. Upon completion, it may take up to 1 day for your quiz to be graded. The results will be sent to the email address linked to your profile. To sign in to use the Idea Factory, first, log into your account if necessary. Then, click the Sign in to Use Facility button on the sidebar and fill out the Facilities Usage Tracker form. This may be done prior to your visit on any computer, or as you enter using the facility computer. While there is no certification process to access individual equipment at the Idea Factory, you are expected to know how to safely operate the machines prior to using them. To find training in the available equipment, select Training in the sidebar, then click on the Equipment Training link. Here you can find relevant videos and PDFs on the operation of the desired equipment. If you have any questions or concerns, you can find answers to frequently asked questions, as well as a list of available machines and equipment, on the Idea Factory webpage. You can contact the Idea Factory by calling or visiting during operational hours, or by emailing the lab supervisor.